data and observation. Now, as I discussed, statistics or data handling is always about collection of data, then doing the organization, followed by analysis, and finally interpretation. Now, before moving forward, actually what is data and what is observation? You see, they both the words are sounding similar to us, but there is a bit of difference. Let us discuss that. See, data is the collection of numerical facts, right? So data is actually, I'll write the collection of the date of the information or facts, right? So the information could be any way, right? It could be theory, it could be some values, or it could be some items, it could be in any form. So I am writing data as collection of information or numerical facts. That is data. Then what is observation? See, the collection of various values together is known as data or is termed as data. But whereas observation is each of the information, or you can say each of the numerical fact. So if I write each of the information or each numerical fact, that would refer to as my observation. Now can we take some example for this? Yes, we can do. Let us take the example of marks. Say I am writing marks of a student in final exams, right? This is the data that I have collected, right? So the marks will be scored in 5 subjects. So I am writing subjects on the first one, right, and marks in the second one. Say that the marks are out of 100 and we have 5 subjects. Let's write maths, English, Hindi, social science and sciences. Now we have the 5 subjects also. Let us assume some marks. Let's say the student has secured 80 marks out of 100 in maths, 75 in English, 85 in Hindi, 90 in social sciences and 95 in sciences. Now this whole thing, here I have collected the information together. Now these are the marks of the student who has secured the marks in his final exams. So this is, all these values together are known as my data. Now this everything is representing my data. What is observation? Each of these, that is each of these 5 values are representing my observation, right? That means the collection of all the values collected together, that is known as data, whereas each individual value out of the data is known as my observation.